Hello everyone, my name is Vanilla. I'm studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering from Data Science first semester. Today I'll be discussing about computer networks, wherein my topic is HTTP and the World Wide Web about it. Introduction to HTTP and the World Wide Web, that is, the Hypertext Transfer Protocol, is the foundation of data communication of the World Wide Web. The World Wide Web is an information system that enables access to interconnected resources through hyperlinks, and then it understands the HTTP and the web is essential for web development as well as the online applications. What is HTTP? What does it stand for? It stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol, and a protocol is used for transmitting hypertext over the internet. It defines how messages are transformated and are transmitted and formatted through web servers and browsers should respond. HTTP is an application layer protocol in the OSI model, crucial for web-based communication. The history of HTTP is created by Tim Berners-Lee in 1989 as a part of World Wide Web project. The original version is 0.9 was simple and was uh, supported GET requests. Over the years, HTTP was evolved through various versions with 2 and as well as 3 HTTP through version, introducing significant improvement. How HTTP works? It operates a request response and model between a client and a server. So whenever a user types URL, the browser sends the HTTP request to the server hosting the resource. Then the process request and send back to the HTTP response, which contains the request content. What are the methods? It defines several request methods including GET, post, put, delete, and head. Each method has specific purpose such as retrieving data and submitting forms, and understanding methods is an essential for development and RESTful APIs and web applications. HTTP status codes that usually include status codes and indicates outcomes and requests. Common status codes includes 200 OK, 404 not found, error 500 initial internal server errors. Status codes helps clients understand the results of requests and troubleshoot issues. The role of URLs in HTTP. The uniform resource locator, that is known as URLs, are used to specific location of the resource of the web. The URL consists of several components including the protocol, domain, path, and query parameters. The URLs are crucial for navigating and accessing resources on the World Wide Web. Web browsers and HTTP. The web browsers act as a client that send HTTP requests through web servers. They interpret the responses and data the content for users to view and interact with. The browsers also manage caching, cookies, and security features to enhance the user experience. Web servers and HTTP. Web servers host websites in response to HTTP requests from clients. They also process the incoming request, retrieving the requested files in response to the clients. Popular websites including Apache Nginx and Microsoft IIS. Client server architecture overview. The client server architecture overview means it underpins the functionality of the World Wide Web. In this, modern clients, example browsers, request servers from servers, example that is web servers. This separation of roles allows for sufficient source management and scalability. Characteristics and client server architecture, that is, it is based on distinct roles and for client and servers promoting modularity. It is a multiple client to connect to single server, enabling concurrent access to sources. This architecture supports the various use of protocols including HTTP and for the communication as well. What is the benefits of this? It enables centralized resource management, making updates and maintenance easier. Clients can access through shared resources without needing to store everything locally. This architecture enhances security by allowing servers to control access to sensitive data. Limitations of client server architecture, that is, a single point of failure can occur if server goes down, affecting all clients. So network congestion can go slow and communication between the clients and the servers may get down. The architecture requires careful planning and scalability to handle the increasing load. HTTP in the server like model, that is in the protocol that facilitates common between the clients as well as servers in this architecture. Requests and response are exchanged over all the networks, and there should also be interaction with the web services. The stateless nature of HTTP simplifies the server's design but requires additional mechanism for state management. What is the security needed in this? In this, the HTTP has to be secured and developed, and it should follow all the protocols to encrypt data transmitted between clients and servers. The security layers protect sensitive information such as passwords and payment details. The evolution of HTTP is first introduced by the persistent connections and chunk transfer encoding for efficiency, brought multiplexing, header compression, server push for improved performance, built on QUE. IC aims to reduce latency and improve security for web traffic. What is the future of HTTP and the web? Ongoing developments in web protocols aim to enhance performance and security. The rise of internet in its IoT is which is influencing the web of standards. And the future of web is likely focused greater on interconnectivity and future experience. Conclusion. HTTP is essentially for functionality and World Wide Web, enabling data exchange between clients and servers. Understanding the client-server architectural is crucial for web development and design. The continued evolution of HTTP and web standards will shape the future of online communication. You can also refer like the documentation of HTTP and standards to W3C and IETF, which is provided in extensive documentation. Various textbooks and online source resources are also helpful for deeper knowledge, and also updated the latest version of technology is important for developers and IT professionals. You can also discuss the concept and apply if your experience is engaging. Feel free to modify any content if needed for the audience's requirement. Thank you so much.